Chapter 9, Latest Technologies. Learning Objectives. Smart Machines. Artificial Intelligence, AI. Machine Learning. Robotics. Metaverse. Data Science. Immersive Technologies. Blockchain.
Papa, can you teach me about the recent developments in the field of technology?
Of course, Ritu, technologies are becoming increasingly complicated and increasingly interconnected. Let us learn how technology seeps in our life. Smart machines. Modern technologies are evolving day by day across the world. These technologies affect our lives in a positive way as computers have been increasingly so fast and powerful. We are living in the golden age of information where machines are able to do various tasks similar to humans. Let's explore the chapter to know about the latest technological developments to keep ourselves updated. Artificial Intelligence AI. Artificial intelligence AI refers to the ability of machines or computer programs to carry out certain tasks that require human beings to use their intelligence. The field of artificial intelligence is a combination of different disciplines like computer science, biology, psychology, philosophy, mathematics, and engineering for creating intelligent systems that behave like humans in terms of thinking, learning, and differentiating between right and wrong. Today, AI has become part of our life. Nowadays, many companies are trying to implement this technology for better productivity. From smartphone to social media, AI is part of almost everything. Let us have a look at some examples of AI that you are likely to come across daily. Google Maps, an AI application, is a convenient way of navigating to a destination, discovering local businesses, and exploring unfamiliar areas. Google Assistant, a virtual assistant, uses AI to perform a single task very well. Clinical Trial Matching CTM systems uses AI technology to read patient data from larger systems with right clinical study. EVA, an acronym for Electronic Virtual Assistant, is India's first and largest artificial intelligence banking chatbot, uses AI. Google Translate, a translation app, uses AI for translation. Many web browser games like Emoji Scavenger Hunt, AutoDraw use AI. Online shopping and advertising companies use AI to recommend products and services to their customers. Machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI where the data is accessed by the machines to learn for themselves. The popular and commonly used applications of machine learning are as follows. Image recognition. On social networking websites such as Facebook or Instagram, you will get suggestions automatically to tag your friends while uploading a photo. Have you ever wondered why it is so? It is due to machine learning's face detection and recognition algorithm. Email spam and malware filtering. When conversing through an email, some mails are is filtered automatically as important, normal, and spam. This is possible due to machine learning algorithms that can categorize emails on the basis of past preferences set by us. Robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering that uses modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. The field of robotics deals with the construction and programming of robots. Robots are computing machines that contain both hardware and software. The artificial intelligence technique is used in robotics for the software or programming part of the computer. Latest innovations in the field of robotics are: with advancements in the artificial intelligence technology, robots are becoming capable of learning. Hence, they can be used in areas which require learning over a period of time. Robotic assistants are being employed in offices to carry goods and for delivery processes. Robotic arms and appendages are used to carry out tasks that are dangerous for human beings, such as working with high voltage and current or with radioactive materials. Robots are used in assembly lines in manufacturing processes for cars, aeroplanes, and other devices. Military has been developing robotic soldiers for carrying out missions in adverse weather conditions. Robotic process automation. Robotic process automation (RPA), also known as software robotics, is a software technology that enables us to build, deploy, and manage software robots that mimic human actions interacting with digital systems and software. The ultimate objective of RPA is to develop automated bots. The field of artificial intelligence and robotics complement each other, as machine learning algorithms are used in bots automation. Some of the most popular robots around the world are given below. Sophia, a humanoid robot, is the world's first citizen robot. Kaim is a humanoid robot designed to serve food and beverages. Jia Jia, China's first humanoid robot, can hold a normal conversation with a person using speech generation algorithms and facial recognition technologies. Cassie is a dynamic robot that is able to walk and run just like humans and animals. Asimo, a humanoid robot created by Honda in Japan, can communicate with people in 3 different languages: Japanese, Chinese, and English. Metaverse. A metaverse refers to a virtual digital 3D universe or a network of interconnected virtual worlds focused on real time interaction where people can work, socially interact, transact, and play. We can enter this digital universe in our digital avatars and move across and interact within the metaverse. Digital avatars. Digital avatar is a graphical representation of a person in the virtual world of the internet and the computers. In other words, the self-representation of a user-enabled individuals to interact with each other in computer-based virtual environments. Let us learn how to create digital avatars in MoziPop. Step 1. Open Google Chrome and enter the following URL: https://www.mojipop.com. Press Enter key. Step 2. Click on the Try It Now button. Step 3. Select any avatar and click on the Personalize button. Step 4. A pop-up appears. Click on the OK button. Step 5. An open dialog box will appear. Select the photo from the computer. Step 6. A caricature will be ready. Click on the arrow button to see different avatars. Data science. Data science is the study of data used to extract meaningful information and create insights or interpretations. From social media to e-commerce applications, a tremendous amount of data is generated every second by an individual or a group of individuals. This data is stored on the backend to get meaningful insights and strategic business moves. Using this data, e-commerce companies can easily analyze the customer tastes and preference about the products they offer. Product recommendation engine. Nowadays, e-commerce websites like Amazon, Myntra, and Flipkart collect data about the preferences of customers and recommend relevant products accordingly. This is possible due to data science algorithms that keep an eye on the customer's search history and customers' past purchasing behavior. Search engine. The search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best results for our searched query in a fraction of seconds. It is also a fact that Google processes more than 20 petabytes of data every day. Without data science, Google wouldn't have been a Google we know today. Immersive technologies. Immersive technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality merge the physical world with the digital or simulated world. These technologies allow a person to feel part of an artificial or simulated environment. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that blends the real world with the virtual world. It is widely used for creating an imaginary world for the purpose of entertainment and gaming, training, etc. Snapchat Filter is an app that uses AR to identify your face and then will virtually show you how you would look like with a certain shade or color of a specific product. AR can be of several types. Marker-based augmented reality, also called image recognition, uses a camera and some type of visual marker, such as a QR 2D code, to produce result only when the marker is sensed by a reader. Markerless AR, also called location-based AR, uses a GPS, digital compass, velocity meter, or accelerometer, which is embedded in the device to provide data based on your location. Projection-based AR works by projecting artificial light into real-world surfaces and then sensing the human. Superimposition-based AR partially or fully replaces the original view of an object with a newly augmented view of that same object. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a technology that creates a complete computer-generated environment or a complete virtual world which can be explored by a person and interacted with by a person. You can immerse this world through the use of a headset with some type of screen displaying a virtual environment. These headsets allow you to look around the environment by physically moving our head. Google Cardboard, Gear VR are some other examples of VR devices. There are several applications of virtual reality technology in human lives. In architecture, VR is used to view the plan of a building by displaying a 3D image. The prospective clients can view the structures or even tour them. VR is especially used in entertainment industry to make action or horror movies more realistic and provide additional thrill. In hospitals, VR is used to treat phobias by exposing the patient to relevant simulated phobia. Surgeons use VR to figure out possible positions of unwanted tumors in the body and remove the tumors without any form of complications. VR is used in the process of manufacturing vehicles. Ford, the leading car manufacturer, uploads the model of a proposed vehicle on the virtual reality platform, where several engineers can view and make necessary recommendations before the actual vehicle is manufactured. Aeroplane manufacturers and machine manufacturers also use VR to design and improve their products. The oldest and most common use of VR is to simulate a flying experience to train and test trainee pilots. The simulation feels like flying a plane in the air. VR has been adopted in education too. With VR, a large group of students can go on excursions to tour places, view industrial processes, conduct science experiments, and interact with each other. VR is used extensively in creating 3D gaming environments where a player is immersed in an environment and he or she can explore and do different things. Popular examples of AR and VR applications. Google Earth. Google Earth is a Google app that allows you to fly over a virtual globe and view the Earth through high resolution graphics. Matterport. Matterport is a 3D media platform used to create 360-degree videos and interactive virtual world. YouCam Makeup. YouCam Makeup is a camera app that allows you to try real-life cosmetics on a selfie. Blockchain. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions. The name comes from its structure, in which individual records called blocks are linked together in single list called a chain. Blockchains are used for recording transactions made with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and have many other applications. The blockchain network has no central authority. The blockchain works in a simple way. One party initiates the process of transaction by creating a block. This block is verified by thousands of computers distributed around the net. The verified block is added to a chain, which is stored across the net, creating a unique record with a unique history. Falsifying a single record would mean falsifying the entire chain, which is virtually impossible. Tricky terms. Virtual, digitally replicated version, something real. Immersive, making someone feel completely involved and engaged. Memory block. Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of machines or computer programs to carry out certain tasks that require human beings to use their intelligence. Machine learning enables systems to learn automatically from experience or past information. Robotics is a branch of engineering that uses modern technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning to build and deploy robots. Robotic Process Automation (RPA), also known as software robotics, is a software technology that enables us to build, deploy, and manage software robots that mimic human actions. The term data science is used to extract meaningful information from the data and create insights or interpretations. A metaverse refers to a virtual digital 3D universe or a network of interconnected virtual worlds focused on real-time interaction. A digital avatar is a graphical representation of a person in the virtual world of the internet and the computers. Augmented reality is a technology that blends the real world with the virtual world. A blockchain is a digital record of transactions.